Hello, I'm Emma. I have been a pharmacist for 11 years. If you're watching this video, it's because you're interested in knowing more about the Alpilean supplement, right? Hundreds of people have asked me to make this video about Alpilean, or ice hack as it's known on the internet. Well, I'm here to tell you everything I know about Alpilean and whether this supplement actually works as promised. Let's start with simple information, but no less important. Alpilean is only sold on the manufacturer's official website. Some people have fallen for scams recently for buying Alpilean on dubious sites and marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and other sites. Be careful not to buy fake products that put your health at risk, guys. To prevent you from falling for these scams, I've put the official site link below in the description of this video. If you've come this far, it's because you've probably tried several crazy diets or intense exercises that in the end only increased your frustrations or fears because you couldn't reach your final goal, right? But don't feel bad about it, you just didn't know what could really work for your body. There are thousands of supplements on the internet and it's hard to know which one really works. But Alpilean has been developed over the years to effectively fight stubborn body fat. The Alpilean Formula consists of a unique combination of active and powerful ingredients whose effectiveness has been scientifically proven. It is through this special combination of active ingredients that you get faster results with Alpilean than with other products on the market. And this is really the reason why Alpilean has been so successful lately. It is a 100% natural and effective supplement. Once Alpilean enters the body, these ingredients work together to eliminate fats, toxins and impurities, slimming the body and restoring your health in a process unique to date. Alpilean provides natural weight loss, reduces the body's internal temperature, regulates the intestine, reduces appetite, facilitating the burning of localized fat. This is possible thanks to its nutrient-rich composition with bioactive substances that have been tested in the best laboratories. You only need one Alpilan capsule a day with a glass of water and you will lose more fat than ever before. Taking Alpilean regularly can lead to significant weight loss, especially in the first few weeks, as effective tests have been carried out for this. In addition, it is important to know that Alpilean is safe, so you can trust that this supplement does not contain dangerous stimulants, does not contain toxins, does not cause allergies or side effects. As it is a 100% natural formula, it does not pose any health risks. This product is popular with many people across America. But remember, it's only on the official site that you can buy the Alpilean Original and still get a super discount offered by the manufacturer. In addition to buying the original product and with total security. So be quick and access the official website now through the link in the description of this video before stocks run out. I hope this video really helps you, and if you have any questions just ask in the comments.